greatest thing ever. Well, what do you think?
I'll tell you what I think. Here, hold this.
What's this?
Whoops.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey guys, it's B Plus Films here, and I'm just going to talk to you about some upcoming plans and the video we just made.
Yeah, we got some big projects coming up, so don't think we're going to stop posting because we're going to try to keep posting as much as we can. Alright, also we have two short films we're going to be making here in the near future, so we got a lot of stuff coming up, so it could get a little sketchy in the months upcoming, but for now, just, yeah.
It's going to be a drama, so look forward to it. Catch you next time.